Welcome to the Banker Lamp. Please enjoy the video.
You begin by connecting the DVR to your laptop and verifying the device appears in the system. Once the driver and capture app are installed, open the software and choose the DVR input, HDMI or composite, and select the capture device. Set basics now: target folder, file name format, resolution, and frame rate so files are organized automatically. Make sure audio input matches the DVR feed. Once done, preview the signal and adjust input levels to avoid clipping before you press record. Now you refine how the DVR will capture media. Select a codec. H.264 is broadly compatible. H.265 saves space but needs decoding support, and set bitrate appropriate to your resolution. Then configure container and segment length, for example 10-minute files to simplify editing. If you need unattended recording, schedule times or enable loop overwrite. Also choose hardware encoding if your laptop supports it. This reduces CPU load and prevents dropped frames. Make sure preview and test record for a few. Finally, begin your full recording session and monitor performance. Check CPU, GPU, and disk write speeds so the stream stays smooth. When finished, play back a segment to confirm audio/video sync and file integrity. Then transcode or move files to archive storage. If you encounter dropped frames or audio drift, first reduce bitrate or resolution. Next, enable hardware encoding or update capture drivers and software. If problems persist, swap USB ports, use a faster SSD, or
Thanks for watching. If this was helpful, leave a like and consider subscribing. See you next time.